What's the first thing that comes to mind when I say the words fall protection? If I had to guess, you just thought about a harness and a lanyard. But here's the thing, fall protection is much more than just catching workers after they fall. In fact, it's about preventing workers from falling in the first place. And to do this, we use a method called the hierarchy of fall protection. This is a systematic approach that helps to make sure we use the most effective means of protecting workers each and every time. Now there's 5 levels to the hierarchy, so let's break them down. First, we'll try to eliminate the fall hazard. Next, we'll move on to passive fall restraint systems. Now this usually comes in the form of guardrails. They're just there, doing their thing, without us even having to think about it. Next, we can move on to active fall restraint systems. This uses a harness and an adjustable lanyard, preventing us from even reaching the hazard. However, that's not always feasible. And in this case, we'll move on to the 4th level, fall arrest systems. This uses a harness and an energy-absorbing lanyard. And this is probably what you thought about in the beginning of the video. This is less effective than the previous methods because now the worker can fall. And then in rare and unique circumstances, we can move on to unconventional methods of fall protection, like controlled access zones. So next time you hear the words fall protection, think process, not gear. And to learn more about fall protection or other safety-related topics, visit our website at rocorescue.com. And remember, there's a safe way and a safer way.